What's up, everyone? My name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are going to be giving you a hair tutorial. Another one. Yes, I know. I've been doing a lot of hair lately. But as you can see, I have these passion twists here, and they are super cute. And I am going to be showing you how I did them, as well as giving you some tips so that you can achieve this look. So if that's what you want to see, if that's what you came here for, stay tuned. This is Titan's first cameo in a long time, guys, huh? Alright, babe. Alright, kid. You can stay here. Stay right here. Okay, guys, so I'm about to start doing my hair. I just wanted to come and give you like some specs about the hair and then like kind of break it down a little bit. You know how I do. And then I'll go off and do most of it and come back and give you guys a mini tutorial about passion twists. Right? Right? Okay, I guess he wants to get down now. I bought this hair off Amazon. I don't remember the name of the brand, but I will put everything in the description box below. I got two bundles, I should say, of them. And each bundle comes with 6 packs of hair. In each of these bundles, there are 10 strands of hair, which is why I got the 2 packs, because I'd rather have more hair than less hair. Like, I don't want to run out of hair. Like, that is a nightmare. That is an African-American horror story. I'd rather pay $60 for more hair and have some hair left over than to pay $30 and just need more hair. Each bundle comes with a crochet hook and 3 little multicolored hair jewelries. I'm not gonna be using, oh, four, because there's a silver one. I'm not gonna be using them because I don't like multicolored hair jewelry. If I have hair jewelry, it's going to be gold. In addition to that, I have the Shine and Jam Extra Hold, as well as this coconut oil grease that I got from Just a Beauty Supply store in New York. I love this grease. I always use this when I have braids because I go really super duper quick with this. I feel like Barry Allen when I have this. In addition to that, I have Eco Styler. And then obviously you guys know I'm gonna finish everything up with my Thank Me Later gel because, you know, we're gonna get these edges under control. Correct? Correct. Anyway, I'm going to go and start my hair now. So I'll be back in like 6 hours, hopefully. And we're gonna finish up the front for you, okay? All right, I'll see you later.
Tomorrow for sure.
All right, y'all. It is 12:51 in the morning. Is that the time? I started this at like 2 o'clock, but I stopped for like 3 hours. Ooh, Jesus, y'all, I'm tired. It took a lot out of me. All right, so we're gonna finish these 4 on screen for you guys so that you can see how we doing these passion twists. All right, so we have them parted, and I parted them fairly big. I wanted the front to be smaller, but these do not work on my hair when the parts are small. I have a Negro nap, so I don't know why it was slipping out of my hair, but it was, and I was just like, you know what, I don't have time for this. So we're gonna make these parts big, and they're gonna be like bohemian, and they don't have to be like uniform, because I really like good parts. We don't need all of that. We just need it to be done. So we have our hair sectioned off into 3 parts. I'm going to take this hair right here. One section is gonna go on each of these 2 strands, and then there's gonna be a 3rd part in the middle. And I do it like that instead of with just your hair being the 3rd strand, because when your hair is the 3rd strand, it slips down as soon as you start to twist it. So we have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take this extra part right here. That's my hair. That's going to be the 3rd strand, right? We're going to pull that down so that it's tight. And then we're going to braid the passion twist hair into my hair. I'm going to take this piece of hair that is not attached to any of the passion twists, split it in half, and now I'm going to twist these the opposite direction of what I would normally twist. I would normally twist counterclockwise, but I'm gonna twist these clockwise. because this hair is such a deep wave, you have to twist it in a certain way or else your braid will come out ugly. And so at first I was twisting them the way that I would normally twist, and that didn't work at all. It was really bad and they just looked horrible. And so it took a long time. It took one whole Christmas movie for me to do the bottom portion of my hair, not even the whole back. So anyway, that is your one passion twist. And then I just take my little scissors and snip off the end. Alright, so let's do that again. We have our one piece of hair. We're going to take some of the Shine & Jam, put it on the roots to get all the stragglies up. You're going to take your hair, you have it folded in half, put it around these two fingers, your strand around the entire part, then split it into 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? Then start to braid. And then when you get it down to a part where you finish braiding it, start twisting clockwise. And then I just twist the end, the bottom, together. Snip it off. Alright, cool. But while I'm sitting here twisting this one, like fake twisting this one so that I can go downstairs and finish it, I'll give you some tips. So basically, you do not want your hair to be straight when you're doing this because it will stick out of the hair. So when I first started, my hair was still straight and I thought it was going to be okay, but it wasn't. And my hair is like super blunt, so it was sticking out everywhere. Actually, you could probably see some somewhere over here. Once I realized what was happening, I just sprayed my hair down with water and put some gel in it, honestly. That Eco Styler came in handy. Eco Styler and some grease came in handy. Another thing is that you have to really be careful with your parting. Like I said, if your parts are too small, they will slip out. And that's another reason why this took me so long. I was just frustrated. I had to do like the entire circumference of my hair twice. They kept slipping out. So I had to make my parts a little bit bigger. What else do we have for tips? Don't do this. Don't do it. No, you can do it. I think it'll be fine. Like, obviously, like once you get the hang of any braiding style, you start going quicker, and it took a while for me to get this because I told my sister it goes against all my natural instincts. Like when I'm twisting my hair, I want to twist as I'm twisting. Oh, here you can see a little bit. It'll end up like this middle piece right here. I didn't realize that I wasn't supposed to be twisting as I was twisting. You just really have to turn the hair around each other. What else? I was thinking about them while I was doing this. I was like, man, I need to write this down. But I was like, no, I got no time to write this down. I gotta finish my hair. I used 8 packs of hair even. I could have used less if I made all my parts big. I don't necessarily think everybody will need 8 packages. I'm so happy I got the extra 6 packs because I would have been just like messed up. Oh, another tip is if you find your braid slipping still, you can take a duckbill pin and put it at the top of the braid and then twist, and that should help hold it together, at least for the first few of them until you get your groove, and then you should be good to go. Alright, so as I'm twisting this twist in, I'm going to tell you guys to like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe so that I can get to 100K. I mean, yeah, eventually 100K, but let's start with 1K for right now. Please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at glamzon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, y'all, this is Vacation Dwayna. We are well, I haven't even edited that video yet, honestly, but I just wanted to add this little end piece. This is day 6 of me having these twists in. Some of them look pretty good. The front looks a hot mess. It looks like I've had them in for a month already. My hair These have been slipping out a lot. And so I'm about to do the front over. Like, I'm leaving tomorrow for the cruise, and I'm doing these over so that I could at least look like a decent person on this trip, because that is unacceptable. Look at that. Unacceptable. So I'm about to do them over. I brought some extra packs of hair with me just in case I needed to do some over, and they're coming in handy. Maybe I don't have to take out all of them, because some of these in the back look pretty good. Yeah, some of those look okay, but a lot of them don't. So
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers.